Welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner or freelancer using Zoho Books, you know how important it is to send professional looking invoices that truly reflect your brand. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create and customize invoice templates in Zoho Books, step by step, so your invoices look polished, branded, and ready to impress. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Zoho Books account. From your main dashboard, head down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This is where all your key customization options live. Next, in the settings menu, click on customization. From there, select PDF templates. This is the section where Zoho Books gives you full control over how your invoices and other documents look. Now, on the left-hand panel, choose invoices. This will bring up all the available invoice templates you can work with. Zoho Books provides several default templates you can use right away, or you can build a new one from scratch. Here's where the fun begins. Customization. You can adjust the layout to match your preferred structure. Want your logo front and center? Simply upload your company logo and position it where you'd like. You can also modify the color scheme to match your brand colors, making your invoices feel consistent with your business identity. Beyond visuals, you can also control the fields that appear on the invoice. For example, you can decide whether to show payment terms, customer notes, or item descriptions. Tailor it so that it's not just attractive, but also practical for your business needs. Once you're happy with the design and structure, don't forget to save your changes. From now on, every invoice you send will automatically use this customized template, ensuring your clients always receive a professional and consistent document. And that's it. You've just created and customized your own invoice template in Zoho Books. With just a few clicks, you can elevate your brand image and make bookkeeping a whole lot more professional. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about Zoho Books or want me to cover more tips on invoicing and business management tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.